Here is a standard procedure for MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, works at a construction site. Especially applicable for medium to large-scale projects like residential towers, commercial buildings, or industrial facilities. MEP work procedure in construction site. Pre-construction activities. A review of drawings and documents. IFC, issued for construction. Drawings. MEP coordination drawings. Specifications and BOQ authority approvals and client consultant comments. B. Mobilization. Deployment of manpower, materials, tools and equipment. Site setup. Storage area. MEP office. Safety setup. C. Site survey and coordination. Site inspection to check readiness. Coordination with civil and structural teams. BIM coordination or 2D overlay to avoid clashes. To installation sequence. General. So, mechanical. HVAC. Firefighting, drainage. Marketing. Chilled water, drainage, firefighting. Insulation and cladding. Equipment installation. AHUs, pumps, FCUs. Valve tagging, access panels, pressure testing, flushing and balancing. B. Electrical cable tray and conduit installation, power and lighting wiring. MDB, SMDB, DB installation, earthing and lightning protection. Switches, sockets, light fixtures. Testing and commissioning. C. Plumbing, piping, cold, hot, drain, vent, layout and support. Installation of water tanks, pumps, manholes, chambers, floor drains, fixing sanitary fixtures, water pressure testing and leakage test. Sunday to 3. Testing and commissioning. Pre-commissioning checks, alignment, cleanliness, pressure, testing for water and firefighting systems. Insulation resistance tests. Electrical. Tab. Testing, adjusting and balancing for HVAC commissioning reports. Strut 4. Quality control and inspections. Inspection request. IR. Submission to consultant. Method statement and ITP compliance.